In this video, I will show you how to change Instagram music length. Now, the first thing we're going to do is to go to Story, click on Camera, and then let's say I want to video something, or I want to add video to my story. Now, in order for me to add music to my story, all I have to do is to click this button right here, and then tap a music. I can even add lyrics to it. Unfortunately for videos though, you can't change the length of the music. The duration of the video is the length of the music chosen. Now, if I want to add photos to my story, all I have to do is to pick a picture or choose a photo from my gallery and then click the same button right here and then tap a music. I can also add lyrics to it. And then in order for me to change the duration, all I have to do is to click on this. And as you can see, 15 is the maximum clip duration. The thing though is that Instagram doesn't allow you to utilize music more than 15 seconds. So the maximum of it is 15 seconds exact. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!